This summer will be different. We will probably not see this, nor this, but we will be able to enjoy it like this. If you still don't have a swimming pool and you're thinking about how to do it, think about the reinforced membrane. No matter the space or the environment, you have a wide variety of designs and colors to choose the reinforced membrane that best suits your style. Whatever your garden, with RENOLIT ALKORPLAN, you can create unique, special, and custom spaces. Make your pool fashionable with a guarantee of absolute watertightness. Easy and quick installation. Low maintenance. Resistant and durable. You can relax and enjoy your pool without fear of water leaks. RENOLIT ALKORPLAN is the fastest, most reliable, and most durable solution for having a pool this summer. Forget about problems. Forget about displaced tiles, blackened grouting, cracked substrate, or water leaks. Find out more about how RENOLIT ALKORPLAN can help you have the pool you want this summer.